Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll start doing giveaways for real. Now, let's get into the video. So today, we're going to be talking about self-driving cars or autonomous vehicles. A self-driving car, also known as an autonomous vehicle, is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Self-driving cars are combined with sensors to perceive their surroundings, such as radar. Advanced control systems interpret sensory information to identify appropriate paths and obstacles. There are 6 levels of driving automation. The first one is no automation, which means the person that is in the car is driving, and then the second one is driver assistance, which means that the AI is doing some of the work but still not doing as much work as the human. And then 3 is the partial automation, which means it's like the AI is doing half of the work and then the human is doing half of the work. And then 4 is conditional automation, which means that once the AI has like trouble with a certain type of scenery, or like if it's snowing outside, then the human is going to help it get past that stumbling block. Number 5 is high automation, which means that the human isn't driving anymore and the AI is technically doing everything. And then number 6 is the full automation, which means the human can be reading a book, playing games, or technically anything, to be honest. Autonomous cars create and maintain a map of their surroundings based on a variety of sensors situated in different parts of the vehicle. Radar senses monitor the position of nearby vehicles. Video cameras detect traffic lights, read road signs, and track other vehicles and look at pedestrians. Some challenges of autonomous vehicles is weather conditions. Like if it snows outside and the AI can't see how fast it's supposed to be going, or it can't see any pedestrians, then how would that work? Now, another thing is accident and liability. Like if you get in an accident, who will be blamed? The program, the passenger, the person that made the car? Like it would just be a lot of things that will have to play a part in figuring out who is accountable for the accident. Another thing is artificial versus emotional intelligence, which means that human drivers can rely on subtle cues and nonverbal communication, like making eye contact with pedestrians or reading the facial expressions or body language of other drivers to make split-second judgment calls or predict behaviors. But artificial intelligence can't do that because they probably don't know about emotions. The benefits of autonomous cars is the reduce of traffic congestion by 30%, cut traffic costs or transportation costs by 40%, improve walkability and livability, free up parking lots for other uses, and then reducing urban CO2 emission by 80% worldwide. If you like this topic, make sure you like and subscribe so you'll know what topics to talk about. See ya.